My radios are going off like crazy.
Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The Merrillville Police Department has a confirmed child abduction that occurred at 5655 Massachusetts Street in Merrillville, Indiana. Xenia Shannon Sanders is a female, black 7-month-old infant, 24 inches tall, and weighs 19 pounds.
Oh my God.
She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a white shirt with a watermelon on the front, which text states Grandpa is one in a melon, a diaper, and no shoes. The mother of Xenia reported that Glenda Knuckle entered the home through a window without permission, took the child without permission, and fled. Glenda Knuckle is a male black, 35 years old, 5 foot 9 inches, and weighs 150 pounds. Includes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.
Wow. Child abduction emergency. How about that? Unbelievable. No. Holy crap, guys. That scared the crap out of me. All I'm doing is the Lego Football League stream, and guess what? That happens! What the crap? I thought I would be able to turn on the TV, but instead Gabe decided, no! He didn't allow that to happen. So yeah, that happened. Tornado watch?
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 521, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Vero, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Fort, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Wausau, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Vermilion, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch
First
area.
weather alert for this baby.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is your
Shut you up. Shut you up. And as I'm doing a live stream of the Lego Football League, there's your final score. This crap happens! Stop interrupting me! Okay, let's get back to the stream. And what is this supposed to be?
County in central Illinois, north central Woodford County in central Illinois, until 5.
What is that supposed to be? Tornado warning! Stop the music!
A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged.
Tornado warning, Marshall Woodford.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations of hazards include Varna, Toluca, and Winona. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 30 and 40. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground.
So a real tornado.
Take cover now. Repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Marshall, Illinois.
And? Well, that came out of nowhere. Alright, let's start the music again. Ow!
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Putnam County until 6 p.m.
Putnam!
At 5 p.m.
It's not on here. The crap?
miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Weather spotters reported cloudy at 5:04 p.m. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include McNabb and Edison. Take cover now. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. For your safety, seek shelter now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Putnam, Illinois.
And now an SVR for LaSalle. Whatever. Better not activate again.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Livingston County in central Illinois, central LaSalle County, southern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near El Paso to near Bloomington to near Weldon, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour.
Shut up with your reports.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Pontiac, Peru, LaSalle, Marseilles, Paxton, Dwight, Fairbury, Gibson City, Chatsworth, Spring Valley, Oglesby.
Oh,
Seneca,
here we go. I get to do it.
Gridley, North Utica, Forest, Flanagan, and Winona. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Alany State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Matthews.
Dude, it is Mathiasen. I don't know why they won't pronounce it right.
Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for Central.
Is a tornado possible on this one? Yes.
Central Illinois.
Christ, Paul, learn how to say Mathiasen, please. Lincoln, what are you trying to do? Alright. Wait, they issued a tornado warning for Woodford. Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for Central Putnam County in north central Illinois, Eastern Bureau County in north central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Anderson, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
What now?
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dipio around 6:10 p.m. Spring Valley and Allsville around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Ladd. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Central LaSalle, southern Grundy, and Ford counties. At 5.
How about the first warning on the recon is a tornado warning? Now an SVR. Shut up.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north central Illinois, eastern Ogle County in north central Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sublette to near
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north central Illinois, eastern Ogle County in north central Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sublette to near Mendota to near Ottawa, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicating.
Do I get to correct Paul?
Interstate 39 between mile markers 55 and 111. Which interstate between Buffalo Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds,
Dude!
This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Matheson State Park,
Bruh!
Interstate 39 between mile markers 55 and 100. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Matheson State
Come on!
Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois.
And that's copyright. So yeah, apparently, Paul doesn't know how to pronounce Mathiasen!
Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Dixon. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This
Come
station
on!
broadcasts severe weather
Tornado
on
warning, you better hurry up.
Lee, Carroll, Bureau, Whiteside counties in Illinois, and Clinton County, Iowa. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed.
There it is, finally!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, south central Lee County in north central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mendota, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour.
Warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, south central Lee County in north
What
central
now?
Illinois. 15 p.m.
Mobile homes will be damaged or
6:48
destroyed.
p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern and south central Lee County.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught
Tri-County
without
Fairgrounds,
shelter.
including the following
I don't have to correct anyone today.
39 between mile markers 71 and 73.
Vehicles will occur.
Take cover now.
Tree damage is
Move
likely.
to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Rural areas
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Between mile markers 71 and 73. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an
This is NOAA Weather Radio.
floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay then.